What if your chronic symptoms weren't just random or broken parts of you? What if they were actually secret messages from your body trying to guide you, to protect you, and even help you heal? In this video, I'll show you a different way to understand your chronic symptoms, an understanding that helped me when I was at my lowest, and that might just shift everything for you too. Stick around, I'll walk you through the mind-body connection and share 4 simple techniques that helped me get back on my feet after being bedridden. For years, I kept walking through life, ignoring the emotional weight I was carrying. Every time I faced a challenge, some stress or guilt or hurt or pressure, I crumpled it up like a piece of paper and threw it behind me. What I didn't realize was that all those crumpled papers were landing in a sack on my back, and one day that sack became too heavy. I collapsed. I became bedridden, and I was later diagnosed with fibromyalgia. That collapse didn't come out of nowhere. It was the result of years of unprocessed emotions and nervous system overwhelm. My body wasn't failing me, it was finally shouting what I hadn't been hearing. You've probably heard of the phrase mind-body connection, but what does it actually mean? Simply put, your thoughts and feelings affect your nervous system, and your nervous system affects your body. It carries signals telling your muscles when to move, but it also sends messages of pain, stress, or calm, like when you're resting or sleeping. So if your brain constantly senses danger, even emotional or mental, your body responds as if it's under threat. That's when symptoms show up. Sometimes our symptoms are actually distractions. The body may focus your attention on a physical discomfort as a way of protecting you from the emotional discomfort that feels too big or too unsafe to face. But this isn't your body betraying you. Modern life often keeps us stuck in survival mode, rushing around, people-pleasing, ignoring our own needs, numbing out, overworking, and never stopping. When we don't give ourselves space to feel or slow down, the body keeps the score. It starts sending us messages. My first one was repetitive strain injury in my hands. And over time, those messages start to get louder until we're forced to listen, and you're bedridden with fibromyalgia. If this is resonating with you, stick around. I've got 4 extra tools to share at the very end of this video that can help you get out of this vicious cycle. Now, here's the science part in plain English. Your nervous system is like your body's alarm system. It's always checking, are we safe? When it feels safe, your body heals. When it's stuck in stress, symptoms show up. The vagus nerve is a long nerve that starts in your brain and travels through your chest and abdomen. It helps switch your body between stress mode and calm mode. Stress hormones, like the one called cortisol, give you energy in emergencies. But when they're always switched on, they can wear your body down. This isn't in your head. It's your whole system asking for safety. So what helps? It starts with one thing, knowing yourself, self-awareness. When you begin noticing your own stress patterns with compassion and not judgment, you can begin to shift them. Here are a few practices that help. So the first is 4-7-8 breathing, and we're going to try that together now. So we're going to breathe in for 4 seconds, we're going to hold our breath for 7 seconds, and then breathe out for 8 seconds. Take a deep breath in, hold, and breathe out. And that's the technique. This amazing technique helps to switch off your stress response and tells your body you're safe now. I use it often when I'm beginning to get wound up, just to calm my whole system down so it doesn't go into stress first. The second technique is emotional awareness. When you notice a flare-up or a symptom, pause and ask yourself, what's going on for me emotionally? It might feel a bit weird at first, but over time it becomes second nature. The third technique is journaling. Writing your thoughts down helps your brain process what's really going on. When it's on paper, your body doesn't have to hold it all in. You can start simply with this question: what might my body be trying to say today? And the final technique is grounding in nature. This was the most surprising one for me. Grounding helps bring your body back into the present. Nature is calming for your nervous system, and your body can sense that safety. The first time I stood barefoot on soil, I felt a buzz go through my whole body. It calmed my thoughts like nothing else had. Later on, just sitting in the garden, watching the trees, staring at the clouds, it was the only time that my thoughts truly quietened. I didn't expect it to help, but it made a huge difference. Remember, you're not broken. Your body is trying to help you heal. Let it. Once I began listening with kindness, once I learned to be more self-aware and less self-critical, everything started to shift. Healing didn't happen overnight, but it began the moment I stopped fighting my body and started learning from it. If you'd like a few calming tools to try today, I've created 2 free resources you can download below. The first is a relaxation guide to help calm your nervous system, and the second is a 1-page journal prompt or question sheet to help you explore the messages behind your symptoms. And if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Did you know that over 80% of people who watch our videos haven't subscribed yet? And it really helps others find this content too. And to help you on your journey, here are videos that you can watch next. This one is how to sleep better with chronic illness, 7 tips that actually work. And this one is how to boost your mental health, 5 daily habits for a happier life. And remember, the main takeaway from this video is that the first step to healing is listening to the messages your body is sending you.